asshole! Get out of the fucking car!
Don't worry, I'm not fucking going past! Cunt! Fuck's sake. What the fuck was that? You were pretty much stopped at the red light. Whoa! I was daydreaming. What the fuck just happened there? Well, I know a cyclist fell off, but how? I'm guessing a car pulled out in front of him. Shit. And they're turning right on the red light. What the fuck are you doing? Use your fucking eyes, you cunt! All he's going to do is pull across and block the fucking road. Dumbass. Fucking dickhead. Get in the correct lane in the first place. What the fuck were you doing? Didn't even fucking indicate, mate. Pull out, fucking speed up, you useless cunt. Silly twat. Or, if you know you're gonna stop right after pulling out, don't pull out on someone. Simple, really. Come on. I'm trying to go down the wrong side of the fucking dual carriageway. Wow, you fucking idiot! And you. Both of you. No chance of me swerving out the way of that if I needed to, with that one speeding past me. Fucking hell, I held back, I saw I could just see, like, sixth sense what was going to happen. Because idiots. Do you want to come in this lane, or are you left your indicator on? What's going on with you? Oh, we're coming in, aren't we? Right, okay. The silly thing about where they were when they swerved is that leads up to a roundabout. So all they had to do was go up there, come down the other side of it, and they would join this road without doing that dangerous thing. Wow. Good job, dickhead. No fucker behind me, but you decide to risk your life like that. Fucking hell. Red light, you prick! I know there's literally nothing coming because fucking everywhere else is closed, but you still get a ticket for it, wouldn't you? Oh wow, you're not even turning right, you're that cunt. Wow. Piece of shit. What a cunt. Like, going down that side and if he was making a right, yeah, the speed they went down and their road positioning was a little bit sketchy, but at least if they were making a right, it's like, okay, fine, it was clear at the time. But to then cut in because you're a piece of shit, hope your car catches fire. Whoa! What the fuck? Why is that cyclist there? What are they doing? Oh, you're a bicycle, are you? Right, so both of you were in the middle lane, which is for straight ahead, and you end up taking the third exit. Dickheads. For a moment there, I was about to beep because I saw no traffic going past and the car was just sitting there. I'm like, what the fuck is happening with that one in front? Kind of glad I didn't now. More than kind of, very glad I didn't. Two fucking cars in front of me. You're overtaking no one. Why are you in the overtaking lanes? Just... people, why are you so inept at this simple task of driving? It's not hard, it's pretty fucking easy. There you go. You must be able to hear me, because you've moved. You've definitely heard me. I didn't think I was talking that loud.